When I first started using Power BI back in 2017, I definitely had some growing pains. When I first opened the app for the first time, you see this pop-up that tells you to go get data. And coming from Excel and other tools like that, you're kind of just used to typing it in or copying and pasting it. So I always felt like that was something to really learn how to actually start getting your information into the tool. It took me a while, but obviously I caught up fast and I'm glad I figured it out. If I could go back in time to that 2017 me, I would tell him to think more about the data sources that we're using, start learning some of the tools that we might use like SQL and some of those other languages that really make the process easier. Because at the time I was really focused on Power BI and how you get data into it and transform it within the tool. But over time, I've learned that a lot of those changes can happen upstream in the source. So I would have told myself to spend a little more time learning the upstream side. At the time, I was very focused on just the tool itself, and I think it set me back in my overall journey. If you're just starting out with Power BI, don't focus so much on the visuals or the design of the report. Like, those things will come naturally. They might already be part of your organization. There might be someone who has some sort of template that you can just use and copy. Obviously, if you're creative type, like, feel free to go for it. But what I really would stress you to focus on is the numbers and the logic behind your report, because you could show something that's really beautiful, well crafted, to your management team, and when they notice one of your numbers doesn't line up with one of their numbers, you pretty much throw your credibility out the window. So my advice would be, worry about the numbers first, and then you can get creative second. If you're finding yourself opening up Power BI like I did and not really knowing where to go, maybe it's brand new to your organization and you want to be part of the solution, I definitely recommend taking one of our training courses here at Collectiv. You really would learn the basics, but also starting to get into some intermediate and advanced stuff as well. So you're going to leave there not only knowing how to use the software, but how to use it effectively and start helping your team make great decisions.